vibe, we only got your vibe. Honey, now money, can you do the satisfied? Take it. We never so good, yeah. Never run quick and for ya. Them boys big like Dada, never touch shit, but we can color. Feeling the sign, telling the whole bit. Hey, play. Tell them the local.
Big Guardian Mosiata, Maringa Palladium, a Palladium.
We come for a bottle of weed.
My brother, thank you so much.
I'm cool in the body.
I'm
not better in the body. Yeah, man, we're here to celebrate Dog Father. You
Never
know, Dog Father's night. Big up to every Gambian music lover in the building right now. You're that lover. How?
Yes, Danny, right.
Welcome on, my brother.
I play December 14.
Louder.
I play the mobile and Cody.
Louder.
Super in the building. What was DJ? Nimbara.
Killers.
Huh?
Already. December 14, we after.
Told them
Watch out. What? Damu kama nina damin kilin beya lokacin balla yin highway bobu ka wuce lokacin jalsarika yo taragai I DJ style F shit up, let's go brother. Hey, one time, yeah, let's go, yeah. Now realize, hey, you just wanna see me, hey, if you're not with me, others, hey, go to them, I real, hey, living, hey, they just wanna see me, hey, if you're not, I did your style, let's go, tell about it here, what was it? Hey, black on black light, real bad man, the Dada with that, now Africa, now I did your style, Amuda, so you know man need bitola, me ala jola reka, ye ke mu nundile, tolna taleka balance, black on black like Thomas. Robot man buka para niada mutantul sakara nafika ya buka jojara nalone membara karana janding sataru adi. Hey DJ, let's go man. Aisha Adinda Simal bebam banding Tulal bekam kanding Simal bebam banding Komol ya jijandi. Everybody Ananaman sumaya Akana sumaya Ananaman sumaya Akana sumaya Namiji go jolo. Yeah. Very bad man them. I wanna get, if you watch out, buy a big house. If I dig a cup, I will do. I wanna get rich. I big up to you, DJ Stein. DJ Stein, holy. Hey yo, I wanna send one more shout out to my brother D, Dog Father, and the whole team for pulling up this amazing show. I tell me, Gambian music go back till level local, you feel me?
Yeah.
Not at a nyato tell them, not at a coma tell them. So tell Kanyinka tell you feel me? That's why we always respectful towards the fans, because fans will look at in the Kolkata. November 8th, the album is coming out. December 14th, I'll be in the Q City.
Louder.
Louder. I see you, my brother. Love my family. Love my G.